അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today I am going to share 3 interesting lunchbox recipes for all mothers and working population. The first recipe is Aloo Gobi Sabji. Ingredients: 1 medium cauliflower washed and chopped, 3 to 4 medium potatoes cut into cubes, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 2 medium tomatoes finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit in the middle, coriander leaves for garnishing, half a spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon full jeera, 1 spoon amchur powder, 1 spoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a spoon garam masala, 2 spoons of coriander powder. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai, add jeera and fry it until it crackles. Add green chilies and onions and saute them until the onion turns golden brown. Add all the masalas to the kadai and saute for about 10 seconds. Add tomatoes and fry this until the mixture becomes soft and mushy. Add the potatoes and cauliflower and mix it well after adding the required amount of salt. Close the kadai tightly and let the sabji cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. Remove the lid and check if the vegetables have been completely cooked. Fry it for a while on a medium flame. Garnish with coriander leaves and turn off the heat. Transfer the sabji to the serving bowl and serve it with hot roti or parathas. The next sabji is Aloo Methi, which is one way to make sure that your children and family eat the greens. Ingredients: 3-4 medium potatoes chopped into cubes, 250 grams of methi leaves washed and chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 spoon cumin seeds, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, half spoon amchur powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, salt for taste. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai. Add the cumin seeds and after they crackle, add the onions. Fry for about 5 minutes. Then add the turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and amchur powder and saute for 2 minutes. Then add the tomatoes and fry for 5 minutes. Add the potatoes to this and mix well. Cover with the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes on a low flame. After the potatoes are almost cooked, add the required salt. Mix well and then add the methi leaves and cover and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and transfer the sabji into a serving bowl. Serve with hot rotis or pack it for a tasty and healthy lunch. The last recipe is Aloo Bhindi recipe. Ingredients: 3-4 potatoes cut into long thin slices, 250 grams of ladyfinger cut into long thin slices, 2 onions cut into long slices, 1 spoon cumin seeds, 2 spoons of coriander powder, half spoon amchur powder, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon Kashmiri chili powder. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai. Add the cumin seeds and once they crackle, add the onions and saute for 2 minutes. Then add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and amchur powder and saute for 2 minutes. Then add the ladyfinger and potatoes and mix well. Cover with the lid and let it cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. Open the lid and add the required amount of salt once the sabji is almost cooked. Cook it without the lid for another 5 to 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and serve it with hot rotis or pack it for your lunch. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.